All right, check it out, everybody. Today we're going to be checking out a new car wash here on Maui called Papa's Car Wash. It's in Kahului, right in the middle of Kahului, kind of by Walmart, Lowe's, and the new Safeway. It's the newest car wash on Maui right now. Actually, so new they're still building part of the building, but the car wash has already been set up and has been operating for a couple months now. We're going to go check it out and let's see how it is. All right, we're heading over there now. As you can see, we're leaving Safeway. Don't know if you guys saw that chicken right there, but you know, chicken's all over Maui all the time. Part of living in Maui. All right. Just left Safeway and checking out Papa's Car Wash. Right around the corner over here. Right now we're passing the Lexus dealership, Subaru. It's right past the Subaru dealership over here on the right. As you can see, they're still building part of it. Let's go right here and check it out.
Please wait while we... Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen. Please select a payment method or insert bills into the bill acceptor at any time. To complete your purchase, please insert bills into the acceptor. Please wait while we verify. Please select a payment method or insert bills into the bill acceptor at any time. Please insert the card fully and follow the instructions on the screen. If you are paying... You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you again for your car wash purchase.
All right, that was pretty cool. It's basically no contact. It's all done by the machine out by the front over here. Prices were $11 for a basic, $13 for medium, and then $15 for the works or the ultimate car wash. So as you can see, they do a pre-spray down, which is nice. Only a couple of the car washes here on Maui do that. Definitely a lot cleaner than the other car washes I've been on Maui. But then again, it is the newest, so it should be one of the cleanest, actually. I do like the fact that they do the pre-spray down. Makes it a lot better wash. Gets a lot more of the dirt and grime off. It does seem like the brushes are a little more high powered than some of the other washes here. So I did go for the Ultimate, which was $15. I did like the fact too that they do give you a little express wash packet and an actual microfiber towel, not just a paper towel like some of the other washes do. This one you actually get a reusable microfiber towel. It's definitely worth the $15 so far. What is nice too is it looks like they do a little dry down for you too, right when you get out of the wash. Makes it nice, especially with the Tacomas where you don't have to fix your mirrors, they'll fix them for you if the wash gets them bent in. You don't really even have to get out of your car if you're not going to vacuum, which is really nice. Alright, so they're done with the dry down. Now let's check out the vacuums. Alright, vacuums are free. You just pull right up. Make sure you wear your face mask for COVID. And use the vacuum. Alright, so that was Papa's Car Wash in Kahului. Overall, I would say very good car wash. only negative thing I have to say is that they don't have a gas station there at the car wash. There is a car wash in Maui, Maui Oil, Maui's Express Car Wash. It's where Maui Oil is located, and they do have an on-site gas station, but you have to be a member of the gas station in order to get gas there. So, but car wash wise, I would say it's definitely a better wash, and it's the same price, $15 for the ultimate here at Papa's Car Wash, and then $15 over at Maui Express Car Wash. If I had to choose between the two, for convenience, if I needed to get gas, I would get gas and a car wash at the Maui Oil or Maui Express Car Wash. But overall, for the actual quality of the car wash, this place is nice. They both have free vacuums. I do like the fact that they do the dry down after the wash, also fix your mirrors in case they get pushed in during the wash. And they actually do a pre-rinse before you even enter the wash, where Maui Oil doesn't do that as well. So overall, I think it's a new place I'll be coming for washing my truck. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, I'll get you the address and the website for the Papa's Car Wash in Maui below in the comments.